Hey, Sneekylinux back in the house. First dry day we've had for ages, so sun's come out a little bit as you can see. But I thought today, have a little walk and a little chat before I get some time to do some more videos. Oh, bit of a spoiler alert later in this video anyway. So anyway, I've changed the settings on the camera just for multi-metering instead of spot metering, and it seems to be working okay. Anyway, 8 more days and then I'm on holiday for 3 weeks. Oh no, what am I going to do for 3 weeks? I just don't know. What about you? What are you doing over the Christmas period, guys? Anything interesting? Are you going away? Are you just staying at home or whatever? We're staying at home doing nothing. Apart from eating, of course. That's all we really do. That's the thing, when your kids grow up, Christmas just isn't the same, is it, when you think about it? Just not the same. Oh no, terrible. Anyway, spoiler alert. A company reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and asked me if I would like to have a little look at their products. And I went, oh, okay then. That's all I'm going to tell you. Sorry about the wind. I've started doing some of the video for it, but it's going to take some while to complete it. About another week, I'd say. So before the big day. Okay. I ain't telling you no more. No. Anyway, I better get home for some dinner. Or to cook dinner, should I say. Or they'll all go hungry. Sneekylinux out. Bye.